Hey guys, how are you? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a date picker in our Tkinter application. So let's start our coding here. I'm using this TK calendar library. You can install it using pip. Okay, like pip install TK calendar. Okay, if you don't have the module, you can install it. Let me increase the font size so you can easily watch it. Okay, now I have to create a function as well for date picking, but we will work here later in the video. First, let's create our main application. Root.title date picker Tkinter. The size of our application, and I am also adding default font size so you can easily view all the widgets in the video using option add. Now here I am going to add a label. When I select a date in date picker, this label will show the selected date. This is the variable, string variable, which will be used to hold the value in the label. Label var. Adding the label. Now I am going to create a button which will be used to open the date picker. Let's check out our application. Okay, I missed something. Let me check. Okay, I mistyped here. Okay, this button is not functioning here because I have to work on the function. So let's continue coding in our function. Okay, label var dot set selected date picker dot destroy. Okay, now here okay, one more thing. we have to use nested functions uh, to open a date picker window and then perform the date selection task. So I created this pick date function. Now in this function I have to create another function on date selected, right? Now in pick date function I have to create a date picker, a new window for showing the date picker. This will be our date picker new window. Okay, I will explain you when I run the program. Creating a calendar, select mode will be day. Now I'm creating another button to select the date. Here I will call this on date selected function. Okay, I think our program is completed here. Just we have to run it and test it. Let's run it. Okay, when I click this picker button, you can see this is our date picker and this is the date picker window. I was talking about this here. This is the date picker window. This one. Okay. And when I select a date like 25 December, and then when I click this select button, this label should be updated with the date. You can see selected date 12 December, sorry, December 12th month, 25 the day, and 24 this is the year. Okay guys, you can see it again, right? It's working good. Okay guys, don't forget to like and share my video, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in next video. Goodbye.